Yo, one of my most requested videos have been lately, I should say, have been about these signals. Like, y'all wanted to see me take a trade on them. Y'all wanted to see exactly how they work. What's the best case scenario? So look, this is the video for you. I actually took a trade using this. Been doing it, but just ain't really recorded none of it because I've just been chilling. But I want y'all to see how beastie these signals are. And if you do it right, listen, it'll change your life. Y'all know I don't promote it if it don't work, man. It'll work. You feel me? So whatever I bring to y'all, I want y'all to eat off of, all right? So let's get right into this video. All right, y'all, so let's get to this, man. Let's get to it. I see we have a gold signal popping off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here to gold. H1 is telling me to sell, which had already started selling on the H1, y'all. Sheesh, I probably already missed the move, but let's see what we got going on. That look like a decent sale, man. So I ain't gonna go that heavy. I'm gonna go $2 lot on gold. We're gonna sell here. I might be selling at a pullback right now. All it's doing, y'all, is calling the trade whenever we're in a downtrend, right? We're going down, we're under the 200 and we're under the 20. If it goes under the 20 but doesn't close, if it goes under, it's gonna call a potential. If it calls an actual sell signal, that means it closed below the 20 and the 200, which lets me know that the trend is down. This can be used for scalping. This can be used for long-term trading. Normally, when I do that, I'll place my stop loss at the zone above, right? Or two zones above, right? One zone above, let's say I lose, what, 4 grand. And then I can actually hold to the next zone if I want to do it like that. You know what I'm saying? So if I want to go up to this zone here, it says I'll lose 5K, right? Stuff like that. Okay. So this is an amazing tool. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. Scalp, scalp, scalp. Get in and out. That's how I trade for the most part. Right now we're at a zone, so it's gonna be tough to break through, but we break through, it's over. It's gonna push. All right. And we're gonna scalp that thing up, move on to the next one, baby. All right. So usually when I do trades like this, you know, I can hold until it gets, you know, all the way down here. But just for this one, I'll probably just scalp. Now, again, the moves that you want to catch are these right here. You want to catch these. When it breaks below, you want to catch these sales right here so you can get these. These are the trades that this calls, right? Calls this all day long. So those are the ones we want to catch. But I'm not going to bore you with this. Let me pause. I'll be back when the market does what it needs to do. Let's get to it. Yeah, real quick, I'm also getting a couple signals on USD CAD. So I want to entertain USD CAD as well. USD CAD is giving me buys on the M15. Let's go take a look at the M15 right quick. It's giving me buys. Okay. Do I agree or not? I do agree. So I'm going to go with a 15 standards on this one, and I'm going to buy. All right. I'll go check my free margin, make sure my free margin is good. 60,000 free margin. We're in the game. All right. And then I let that ride. I put my stop loss here. I could put it at the previous zone. I feel like that's too low, so I'll bring it down just a little bit more. Boom, about right there. Change. All right. Now I'll be back. Got 2 trades in. Let's go. Yo, so look, man, as I told y'all, look at this. We have 2 bands. I'm going to go ahead and just close this one out. I'm going to just close both of them out. We're going to take the 2 bands for the day. You feel me? We're going to take the 2 bands, bro. And just like that, man, that's how the system works. I could have let the other one run, but it is Friday, so I don't want to really hold that over the weekend. But again, this is what the system does, y'all. It literally allows you to hold trades in confidence. You feel me? Knowing where your stop loss and your take profit is going to go. It's supposed to go, I should say. All right. So just to run that back, I'm going to give you, other examples. All right. I'm going to give you other examples. And again, I do this a lot. Now, again, I don't win every single trade. No, some of them hit my stop loss. Some of them, run. But essentially, what it's going to do is Once we're in a downtrend, as long as we're below both 200 and the 20, it's going to call a sell signal. Now, if it calls a potential, that just means that the market pushed below both, but it hasn't closed below both yet. It has to close below both before it calls that official. Now, when it pushes below both, it's up to you to determine whether you want to get in there or not. But let's say we get in here. Let's say this is our entry. All right. Let's do the E for entry. Boom. Okay. We enter here. Trying to get my E right. It's a little sloppy. Boom. That's the E for entry. It's a little sloppy, but y'all get it. Stop loss up here. Simple as that. Let the trade run. All right. Let the trade run. That's what we want on any given pair. Okay. Any given pair. We can go to any one of them and do what we need to do. Let me bring my tool over here so you guys can see it. It works just as well on, you know, a US 30, a NAS 100, whatever the case is, it'll call it. Look at this. Boom. All right, so let's say, for instance, US 30 crossed above both right here. It called it on a buy. Stop loss down here. Good to go. All right, let me actually pull these up so you can see for yourself. Okay. I'm going to go down. I'll show you a few of the trades that it's called. That way you can see for yourself. Okay, so let's find the US 30 trade. What day was that? Boom, right here. US 30 buy signal. Okay. All right, so depending on where it bought on the M30, but depending on where you bought, let's say it crossed above here, you bought in the game. All right, look at that trend. Crazy. All right, you would have entered. Stop loss would have been here at the bottom. SL for the stop loss. And you hold the trade, you don't fold. And you up bands, you know what I'm talking about? So this is, you know, the system that I use to take all my, for the most part, all my trades on Forex. Works great. I mean, again, you will get 3 different, you know, signals groups or, you know, systems for binary options and Forex. All right, so this is this. Always remember, you know, zone to zone, the market goes from one zone to the next. Okay, so what trades would I not take? Let's go over what trades would I not take. I'm not gonna take trades that are confusing to me. If I look at it and let's say the 20 moving average is here, they kind of in and out between both the 200 and the 20. I'm not taking those. I want a wide gap, right, in between both, something like that, right? I need that space to let me know, hey, because that 200 is powerful. If the candles stay below, even if they do go up a little bit, if you hold, I actually had to hold that trade for probably, I don't even remember when we started, but I think it was a few hours or a couple hours before it actually did what it was supposed to do. So some days, you know, you're going to have to hold it longer. Some days it's going to be a quick scalp. You in and out, bop. But yeah, if these two are close, I usually stay away. You feel me? Always put your your take profit if you want to use one at the next zone. So for instance, if it'll call this one here, you enter here, stop loss goes at the previous zone here or above, depending on where you want to put it as stop loss, and your take profit goes at the next zone below, right? Take profit here, TP, stop loss up there, let the trade run. Now, if you want to try to catch the full move, then all you do is as it continues to go, you take this stop loss here, and you start moving it into profit and letting it go and do its thing. Now, again, these come in all day. It's up to you to just analyze it, find which one looks best for you. All right, and then you execute on the trade. Simple as that. I'm trying to see if it called anything else. I'm not going to get in on anything else, but just to kind of show you. Let's see, I think it called GBP USD on the M30. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. I had to call a buy. Had to. Let me see. That's the M30. Okay, so on the M30, that was at 11. Oh yeah, so I'm about 13 minutes late on that. Okay, 13 minutes late. So this particular one is it called the sell signal. So it called the sell signal way up here somewhere about 13 minutes ago. So this dropped completely. Boom. So that signal was correct. All right. Now I bet if I look on my 10 for the win joint, that signal will probably be calling a buy on GBP USD because the stochastic is low, right? And you'll be able to get both those plays because that'll be more of a binary options play. All right. Powerful, powerful system. Powerful system, y'all. So with that being said, man, I love y'all. If you got any other questions about it, contact me on Instagram. Holla at your boy. I will be making more videos on whatever y'all need, man. So just go ahead and comment below what you need or what you want to see. And yeah, I'll holla at y'all. Let's get it.